At HFM, we have a variety of trading tools that help traders in their trading journey. One of these tools is the Autochartist tool. Now, this is simply a tool that helps you spot chart patterns in the market to help you with your analysis. To access this, simply log into your portal and on the side menu, go to Trading Tools. Here, select Autochartist. On the landing page, you can see the description of what Autochartist is, which is a market scanner that is able to detect patterns within various charts. So once you scroll onto this page, there's a list of options on how, for example, you'd want to receive a market report. For example, the first is an email opt-in that will allow you to receive daily updates on various chart patterns on the market. The second is what sessions or what trading sessions will you want these patterns to be found at. So there's the Asia session, the Europe session, and the USA session. So you can either select all of them, or like for me, for example, I've just selected two, which is the USA session and the Europe session. And then lastly, you have the language you'd like to receive this newsletter on, and there you can simply select English or any other language you prefer. Lastly, you need to save these settings or this information so that it's able to be updated in the system, and then click on Autochartist trading opportunities. So on the landing page of the Autochartist section, there are very many ways to interpret this. You can, for example, view the various charts based on asset classes. So I can start by looking at, for example, shares or Forex or other asset classes that are out there, such as indices. So if I select Forex, for example, this is foreign exchange, and I can see my list of currencies there. And the first one I'm seeing is Euro Swiss franc. Next to it is the time frame of this pattern. Remember, for chart patterns, the time frame is also crucial because the charts tend to change a bit when you switch from time frame to time frame. So in this case, there's a chart pattern on Euro Swiss franc on the 15-minute chart, and it says resistance breakout 18 minutes ago. So if you tap on this, you'll have a detailed expand able to read about this chart pattern. It's also a good way to understand the various chart patterns, especially if you're beginning or if you're a beginner trader in the market. Back to our Euro Swiss franc example, you can see the description there saying broke a resistance level at 0.9550. This was about 3:45 p.m. So this is one way to look at it. First, it gives you what has just happened, and then the possible scenarios based off of this chart pattern forming. So in this case, it's saying possible bullish price movement forecast for the next 23 hours. So as a trader, this is information or data that you can take into consideration when making your trading decisions. So that's how you use Autochartist from the portal. Remember, you can also plug it into your MT4 directly.